What's up guys, this is MVP Gameplays. I'm Mike and today we're unboxing best mouse for the Fortnite in the world, the Logitech G502. So let's take a look at it. So here we got our Prometheus Spectrum G502 Logitech mouse. It's the simple package. Nothing too fancy about written, just RGB and nothing else. So let's open the box. Shit, the package. Oh, okay. We got one. Stick it on this. And we got two. Yeah, now it's coming off. Okay, right there. Let's open the package. And we got the mouse itself. Some booklets. I guess this is just, what is this? Whatever. Oh, the Logitech. Oh, this about the weights. How to install it? Yeah, let's put it on the table and let's take a look at the mouse itself. Wow, wow, nice. Whoa, this mouse looks so amazingly good. Damn. Why do they need to put it that or now that I can just stick through here? Or maybe I should. Good. Okay. Let's put it to the side. Leave the package. So here we go. This is the weights, as I understand. And how do you change the weights? Oh, like that. Yeah. We have couple of few grams set. Okay, one was here, one was here, and one was here. The maximum weight. Okay. And of course we could change it. Somehow. Oh, easy like that. And you can put the weights in there. Okay, easy. Oh, it's so ergonomic, so good. And the wheel. Damn. Oh, look. And it's been so nice. A braided cable. Awesome, long cable. Awesome, long 3 meters cable. Good. Prometheus Spectrum. Okay. We got a lot of buttons that would be amazing for playing the games that we love. So that's it. That was the unboxing of the Logitech G502 Prometheus Spectrum.